Okay, so the next thing we're going to discuss is pseudo selectors, and pseudo selectors are a great way to make your website a little bit more interactive and kind of make it look a little fancier without doing a whole lot of work. So as you can see here on line 17, I've written some styles for the links in my navigation, so I'll just show you what those look like. So I've centered my links, I've taken away that ugly underline, and I've changed the color from blue to black. Now I want to make it a little bit more interactive. So I want the links to actually change color when someone hovers over them, and I want the underline to come back. So I can write a pseudo selector for that. So if I go back to my code, I can write a pseudo selector for the links inside of my navigation by selecting the links inside of my navigation and then writing :hover. So these rules here will apply only when someone is hovering over those links. So I can change the color, let's change it to pink. And I want to add the underline again. So we're going to say text decoration underline. Okay, so save that. And if I go and refresh my page, now my links change to pink and they have an underline when I hover over them, which is really cool. Another really cool thing I can do here is start to add some animations, and I can add a transition effect. So I want to do that on my original rule. So we say transition 2S, it means take 2 seconds to transition. And then when I go and refresh my page and I hover, it slowly changes to pink, which looks pretty cool. If that's too slow for you, you can change it to 1 second. If it's too fast, you can change it to 3 seconds, but 2 seconds is usually a pretty good place to start. So yeah, that is pseudo selectors or hover effects, and it's a great way to make your website look really cool without doing a whole lot of work.